friends, welcome back to Delectable Flavors, and today I'm going to share a recipe from J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. So they really like Ambal, which is a kind of a national recipe for them, and I'm going to share a recipe with you how to make a yummy Ambal. So first we are going to turn on the stove, and I'm going to use the mustard oil because this is the best one, but you can use any other oil as well. So I want you to put a little bit of mustard oil in the pan, and it takes a little bit of time to heat up. It takes a little bit more time as compared to other oils. So I'm going to leave it on, and meanwhile I'm going to share ingredients with you. So we are going to take about 6 to 7 methi seeds. We need some roasted cumin powder. So what I did is on a tawa or in a pan, I roasted some of the cumin seeds and I turned them into a powder form by grinding it. 1 Tej Patta and couple of red chillies, and it needs to be broken into small pieces like this. So red chillies. We need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, a pinch of black pepper powder. We need 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and we need 3 tablespoons of jaggery chunks. It's also known as gur. And last, we need pumpkin cubes. So you can cut them into small pieces like this. You can cut them into square or rectangles, whatever the shape you like. So I have 4 cups of pumpkin chunks. Now, 2 more things. We need 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and we need 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now our oil is ready to go, so I'm going to put quickly the methi seeds, and we're going to only take some methi seeds, not too many, because it's going to give you a little bitter taste if it's going to be a little more. So now we are going to add Tej Patta and those 2 red chilies, and I'm going to add a powdered cumin powder, also the roasted cumin powder. And I'm going to quickly add the pumpkin. Make sure you take the ripe pumpkin, and then we are going to stir it. And now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, a pinch of black pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. And now I'm going to mix it and put it on medium heat, and we're going to cover it, and we're going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes, and I want you to check it in between, and so it's all nice and good, not sticking to the bottom. We're going to cover it again and wait for another 2 minutes. So now we're going to check again. I just need, yeah, so it's nice. You can see the nice color is coming as well, and looks like it's getting softened. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and we are going to add water. Now for water, it all depends like how thick and how liquidy you want. So you can see I like it like not too liquidy and not too, but I'm going to add a little bit more, so because when it's going to boil, and then you will see it's going to get a little bit thickened because water will evaporate. So I'm going to cover it again, and we'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So it's going to start boiling. So it's about 2 minutes now, and you can see it start boiling. So we are going to cook for another minute and till it's all nice and soft. It is getting soft. So we're going to cook for another minute, and in the meanwhile I'll show you the jaggery chunks. The jaggery chunks, you can use it or you can use in powder form too. So I'm going to, these are about 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to put the chunks, and I'm going to just make a kind of a powder. So meanwhile it's getting ready. You can use the chunks, there's no problem with that. It's the only thing that it's going to take a little bit more time to dissolve. And if you don't have jaggery chunks or the powder, feel free to use sugar. But only thing is, if you're going to use this, then it's going to give you a nice color. But if you will use sugar, it will not give you that nice color. That's the only difference. Turned into a powder form. So now I'm going to add into our ambal. There's some sticking at the bottom, just trying to scrape it off. Okay, so now we are going to mix that. And now we're going to boil for 1 more minute. You can just boil it without the lid, and if you want, you can boil with the lid. Just try to break the pieces. Yeah, they are easily breaking into 2 pieces, so it means our pumpkin is ready and in eatable form. So I'm gonna just give 1 more minute. Okay, so now we're gonna check. It's about a minute, and you can see it's a nice color, and you can see even from the pumpkin, like it's properly cooked. You can see a little threads kind of thing is separating out from the main piece. So now this is all about ambal is ready. Now I'm going to pour. So now our ambal is ready, and in J&K, people, they enjoy the ambal with steamed rice, white steamed rice. So I have already cooked. It's just a simple boiled rice, and they eat with this with the plain steamed rice. So it looks delicious. The color looks like it's really good combination of hot and sweet and sour kind of recipe. So this was all about ambal. So I want you to try this recipe, and if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and all the description for the ingredients will be given in the description box, and try to share it with your as many as friends possible so they can enjoy the same good taste as you. So this is all about today, and bye-bye till next time.